birthday, happy birthday, oh happy birthday to Marjorie. Oh happy birthday, happy birthday, oh happy birthday to Marjorie. Oh happy birthday, happy birthday, oh happy birthday to Marjorie. Oh happy birthday, happy birthday, oh happy birthday to Marjorie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Bibili mo na kasi mabigat.
2 kilo yan.
Picture mo talaga yan.
Happy na birthday. Happy. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wala pa kuwangan pag 3 minutes.
Oy, thank you sa pa-surprise.
Wala nga pa daw 3 minutes.
Abang Egi tembak.
Hilahin mo daw yung kandila.
Meron?
Wow!
Meron naman?
Hilahin mo daw.
Si Dr. Marjorie Selfa.
Wow, thank you so much.
Picture pa sa cake, oy! Cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hoy, Lowy, Ricky, Judy, come! Happy 18th birthday!
Sa totoo lang,
Ano?
parang ngayon ako bilang nervous eh. Alam, medyo tipsy ako pero okay.
No, Mark, no.
No, oh my God!
No?
Thank you so much for coming to this event.
Iiyak na yan.
Kahit pandemic man, meron na tayong pinagdanaan ngayon sa ako. Dahil nagkikita-kita tayo ngayon. Celebrate with us, with me, with this special day. Thank you so much for coming. See you again next year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. Maskor.
Happy birthday. Ballerina Diamond.
Diamonds are forever.
Helwa ya Gamal, sana helwa ya Gamal, sana helwa Tita Marge. Ating happy birthday. Thank you so much for the gift of friendship, and now for almost 4 years, and we're so glad to have you as our ating and kuting kuya and ating at the same time, and our nangni. Thank you for all the advices, the ever support for the gift of family. So you're just not a friend but a family to us. So thank you so much for everything. And in this special day, we would like to greet you, to wish you more blessings, especially with your plans, new plans for your new journey. Inshallah, all will go smoothly as you wish and as you plan. May God, the Almighty, will bless you more. And again, have a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, Tita.
Hi Marge, happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life, and may God shower all His blessings to you and to your family. Stay healthy despite of this COVID situation, and always be positive in life. I know God will grant all your wishes in life. Happy birthday.
Hello Sir Marge, happy birthday, enjoy your day. God bless, ingat.
Good morning, Sir Marge. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Tuloy mo lang yung mga pangarap mo, and tutulungan ka ni Lord. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sir Marge. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sir Marge. Enjoy your birthday. Salamat sa lahat ng mga masasarap na luto mo, Sir Marge. Especially yung kilawin, sarap talaga, Sir Marge, the best. Ingat palagi, Sir Marge. Sana makita mo na yung dawan mo.
Hello Ting. Happy birthday Ting. Wish you all the best in life. Continue being a good person to everyone. God bless you always.
Hi Ting, happy birthday. Pasalamat ko sa Ginoo nga gihatagan ka og dugang birthday pa nga mo miabot sa imuha. Amping ka dira pero salamat sa tanan nga friendship.